A wonderful good morning to everyone. Welcome to Premchand Memorial Public School. So students, today I am here to teach you English reader of class 5th. So please take out your English textbook. This is our English textbook, English Express of class 5th. And open the chapter number 3. Lesson number 3, never be greedy. So, as we know students that we have already discussed this chapter in our previous video. But still, today I am giving you a brief summary of this lesson. So students, once upon a time a couple lived at high up mountains of Japan. Man was not happy to his wife because she was older than him and his behavior was very rude to him, and she abused also to pet bird. One day after the meal, she cut off the tip of bird's tongue with the help of scissor and shouted on bird that go from here and never come back. On this day, the farmer was very sad and angry with his wife. So that night they both argued with each other 2 times. Some months later, the old man gone high up mountains again, where he saw a little bird which was chirping, and the farmer thought that he wished a good morning like a human being. Now students, today we will discuss about the happiness of old man after seeing the bird. I think you all get that farmer is happy after the meeting of the bird. So now let's read that really farmer was happy or not. Let's read. One day sparrow brought out 2 baskets, one heavy and the other light. It requested the old man to accept one as a parting gift. The old man was not greedy. He chose the light one and took leave of his host. Back home, he told his wife about his adventure. They opened the box. It contained a purse that was always full of money and so many gems. They became rich. They became rich. Here, students, one day sparrow took 2 baskets in which one was heavy and other one was light in weight. The bird requested to the old man to accept a basket as a return gift. The old man was not a greedy person, so he chose a basket which was light in weight and went to his home, and he shared his all experience to his wife. Both the old man and his wife opened the box. In the box, he found a purse that was full of money and with valuable ornaments. Both of them became rich. Students, here जो स्पैरो थी वो उसके पास 2 बास्केट थी, जिनमें से एक हैवी थी, दूसरी लाइट थी, मतलब एक भारी थी और एक हल्की थी. तो उन्होंने बर्ड्स ने बोला फार्मर से, मीन्स द ओल्ड मैन से, कि आप इनमें से कोई एक बास्केट को चूज करो. तो ओल्ड मैन ग्रीडी नहीं था, लालची नहीं था, इसलिए उन्होंने कौन सी बास्केट चूज की? लाइट बास्केट. I mean to say that which basket had light weight, because he was not a greedy man. So the sparrows said that please accept this basket एज माई रिटर्निंग गिफ्ट, मेरा एक रिटर्न गिफ्ट समझकर आप इसमें से एक बास्केट रख लीजिए। उस बास्केट को लेकर ओल्ड मैन घर चला गया। वहां जाकर उसने अपनी वाइफ के साथ ये सारा का सारा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया। आफ्टर द शेयरिंग दे बोथ, मतलब मैन एंड मैन्स वाइफ ओपन द बॉक्स को ओपन किया। उसमें उन्होंने एक पर्स देखा, पर्स मिला उन्हें उसमें से, बॉक्स में से। वो पर्स उन्होंने बाहर निकाला। जब उसे पर्स को देखा तो वो फुल ऑफ मनी, पैसों से भरा हुआ था, मनी से भरा हुआ था। एंड वैल्यूएबल ऑर्नामेंट्स, आई मीन टू से दैट, बहुत महंगे थिंग्स, महंगे वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स से वो फिल था। हेयर, अब दोनों के दोनों वो अमीर हो गए, रिच हो गए। सो द ओल्ड वुमेन आल्सो डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द स्पैरो टू गेट अ प्रेजेंट। The sparrow family was not pleased to see the Creole woman. They knew what she had come for. Now, it is interesting that the old woman was greedy. As we know, she was not satisfied with her husband's present. That's why she decided to go to get a present. But sparrow family did not like woman. And interestingly, they knew about her all intention that she come here for a present. अब अपने हस्बैंड के गिफ्ट से वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं थी। It is clear to all of you that, all my students here, if we are not satisfied with our things, and if we are not satisfied with our meal, I mean to say food, not satisfied with money, not satisfied with our house, if we want something more, अगर हम ज़्यादा चाहते हैं कि हमारे पास ये नहीं है हमें वो भी मिल जाए, हमारे पास वो नहीं है हमें वो भी मिल जाए, या फिर उसके पास ये है तो वो भी मिल जाए, तो इट इज़ नॉट गुड, बिकॉज इट इज़ डेंजरस। बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजर है, बैड थिंग है। क्यों? बिकॉज दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स कॉल्ड ग्रीडीनेस, लालच कहलाता है ये सब। सेम थिंग द वुमेन डू, वुमेन इज डूइंग दैट। वो उसी इंटेंशन से गई थी स्पैरो के फैमिली के पास। स्पैरो की फैमिली देखकर समझ गई थी कि ये जो वुमेन है वो हमसे कोई ना कोई प्रेजेंट लेने आई है। Now let's read. They also told her to choose one of the two baskets. She chose the heavy one and returned to her cottage very excitedly. जैसे उन्होंने फार्मर से पूछा था कि आप इनमें से कोई एक चूज कीजिए, वैसे ही उन्होंने वुमेन से पूछा। And woman was greedy, so he chose heavy one and go back to her house with happiness. Here, after the reaching house, she tore off the lid, but instead of jewels, a host of giant wasps flew out and stung her. She died. The old farmer, a wealthy widower, adopted a son to comfort him in old age. He always pointed out to the boy the danger of greed. Here, as we all know that the result of greediness is always bad. So, after the open the box, from the box a big insect, in our simple language we can say that the tataya. A big insect flew from the box and stung her. उस बॉक्स में से एक बड़ा सा इंसेक्ट निकला और उसने वुमेन को स्टंग कर लिया, काट लिया, एंड वह मर गई। शी डाइड। नाउ wealthy widower, I mean to say here widower means man whose wife has died. So, wealthy man adopted a son to live his life with the comfort, with a relax. He always pointed out to the boy the danger of greed. अब अपनी लाइफ को स्मूथली जीने के लिए उन मैन ने एक बॉय को अडॉप्ट किया और उस बॉय को हमेशा वो ग्रीड, लालच से दूर रखता था, लालच के डेंजर के बारे में हमेशा उसे समझाता रहता था. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, दिस स्टोरी इज अ जापानीज फोक टेल. एक जापान की स्टोरी है. I think you all understood that greediness is dangerous for us. I think you all listen that लालच बुरी बला है. Greed is bad for us. Greed is bad thing for us. So students, I request to you that please implement this quotation in your life that greed is bad thing for us or greed is dangerous for us. If we do seriously, then we will live a better life and we will happy in our life. So students, this chapter has been completed. So you all will read this chapter again and do exercise by yourself. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.